The reporting tab is a place where you can view all of those who have registered. We're going to choose 10 a.m. family worship service. You see that reservation I made earlier. If you look at the reporting table, you have your name, you have total, the date it was reserved, as well as current max capacity, and the option to void a reservation. Best practices for voiding a reservation is only to do it if there are accidental duplicate reservations. Your attendee, your parishioner, has the ability to cancel their own reservation, and we encourage that. If you choose to void the reservation in this screen, the attendee will not be notified. And finally, for church databases, for day of reporting, you can export CSVs, you can organize the CSV, hand it to your volunteers, or keep it for follow-up.